friend and I are throwing a dinner party tonight. We'll add some sparkle using Modern Masters matte and satin metallic paints. They're water-based and easy to use right out of the jar.
Let's add some interest to these niches, creating a shimmering tone-on-tone metallic finish. It's easy to create using the same color in 2 different sheens.
There are 15 colors to choose from, but I think black and bronze is the way to go. We're applying a matte metallic as our base color using a 4-inch mini roller to cut in the edges. A 9-inch roller fills in the wall easily. With the wall completely dry, we're adding highlights with satin metallic paint in the same color. Using Modern Masters natural sea sponge roller in a random fashion nicely breaks up any roller lines. The result is a subtle shimmer.
Next, I'll use our same black and bronze on a couple of small projects for our table setting.
A ready-to-use stencil will add some style to this simple table runner. Modern Masters metallic paint is extremely versatile and can be applied using several different tools and techniques to decorate almost anything. You are only limited by your imagination. There. Now our guests will feel welcomed.